Today we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction with signed twos complemented data. Last class we are discussed about the addition and subtraction of binary signed binary numbers. So here the register configuration is same as that of the addition or subtraction of the binary numbers, but here the main difference is the that sign bits are not separated from the rest of the registers. In the last class we have discussed about if A is the accumulator, then AS will be the sign register. If B is the subtrahend, then BS will be the sign bit of that corresponding number. So here there is no separation of this sign bit of numbers. Here we are using, we name the A register as accumulator AC and B register as BR. So there is one main difference is here we represented or named the accumulator as AC and B register as BR, and here leftmost bit of AS and BR represents the sign bit of the number, and the two sign bits are added and subtracted together with the other bits in the complementer or parallel adder. Here parallel adder is used for the micro operation of addition, and complementer is used for finding the complement of the number. Then there is an overflow flag represented by V, which is set when an overflow is occur. Then if an output carry is occurred, then we will discard that. Then this is the hardware representation. This is the one of the by number AS register, another number in BR register, and then perform the complement or parallel adder addition operation. If there is an overflow occurs, then corresponding flag V will be set. Then this is the algorithm for addition and subtraction number in signed twos complement representation. Here addition, for addition the augend is stored in AC register and addend will be stored in BR register. That is, if we want to add two numbers, then first number will be put into AC register, another number is put into BR register. Then for addition, we are just add this content, register content, and result will be stored in this AC. So destination register will be AC. Then after addition, during this addition, any overflow occurs. That is an additional dead. After the addition, there is a carry occur. Then that corresponding flag, that is V flag, overflow flag will be set. Otherwise, it will be reset. Then end the addition operation. Then next, subtract operation. In the subtract operation, minuend will be stored in AC and subtrahend will be stored in BR. So AC minus BR will be take place. So if we want to subtract 3 minus 2, then 3 will be stored in AC and 2 will be stored in BR. Then what will be happen? Here we will first find out the 2's complement of this subtrahend. So how to find out the 2's complement of a subtrahend? First converted into 1's complement. So it make a complement. Then to make it a 2's complement, add 1. So the 2's complement of subtrahend will be get, and that value will be added with AC. So here AC added with BR plus 1. Then that result will be stored in AC. If there is any overflow, then corresponding overflow flag will be set. Then subtract operation will be ended here. Then the previous algorithm will be explained here. Sum is obtained by adding the content of AC and BR. When we adding in the sign is also added. If an overflow occurs, then we will be set to 1, otherwise it will be cleared to 0. Then during the subtract operation, we are adding the content of AC to the 2's complement of BR. And why we take the 2's complement of VR? If 2's complement of VR will be taken, it has the same effect of changing the positive number to negative and negative number to positive. So if then overflow must be checked during this operation, because the two numbers are added could have the same sign. If overflow occurs, that means there is an error in the AC register, result in the AC register. So this is the algorithm explanation.